Here's boy. Boy, what are you doing? Who's that under you? Who's under boy? Who do you have smashed? There's somebody under boy. It's Jessica. Oh my God. It's Jess being smashed by the boy. You're bad, boy. What are you doing to her, huh? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, he's gonna kiss you now. Oh, he's gonna snuggle. Jessica, he loves his Jessica.
My face is getting a little chapped.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh! That was gross. Up my nose. You gonna bite my nose. Are you gonna bite my nose?
You like Jess, huh, boy? Huh? He's a good boy, yeah.